Hello and welcome to this fourth episode of How to Program a Library. Before we do anything, that we don't forget it, save this as a new copy, this library episode 3, and name it library episode 4. Now, in the last 3 episodes, we programmed that we can choose climate change.
Great.
Then we borrowed climate change. It says here borrowed books.
Do you want to read climate change? Great.
Then I enter yes.
Should I read aloud?
And now this is the point where we didn't program more. We did program that we can read the first page of the book, but it can't read aloud. So, here is it. And now we can turn the page with the right arrow. And you see, did you see here? We're at the last page, but we can turn the page anyway. So, we look here. We in the climate change where we scripted that. There. And we say if key right arrow is pressed and the custom number is less than 3. And custom number is less than 3. So let's try it, and yes, we can't turn the page. Also, we should do the same here, where we show it, only show it if climate change, the custom hash, if it's less than 3. But why don't we make a variable for this 3? So, we could do that, but I think it is better to not to do that because it isn't that complicated. But when you want that I do that, just comment it under the video and I'll show you how to do it in the next video. Now, we fixed this bug. What we now want is that we can read aloud. So, here we need to make a new list. Text from page. And make it for this sprite only. Because we only have this text which we should read aloud for this sprite. Now, when the game begins, after we show, we make a new block named sort lists. And you don't need to run without screen refresh. Then pop that in here. And now, how do we sort this list? It is very time consuming to do this, so I just show it to you one time. Drag one add thing to text from page block out here. Then from the first page, copy all the text with Ctrl+C. Then paste it in a speak block and click it.
Preface hello. Here is Nikonaigo 1. This book is about a person who dreamed a dream and then it became as reality.
The first problem is that preface should be a title. So after preface, we should write dot. Oh, wait. Like this.
Preface.
Then
hello.
Click it.
Here is Nikonaigo 1. This book is about a person who dreamed a dream and then it became as reality. I started.
Oh. Now just click the block.
Preface. Hello. Here is Nikonaigo 1. This book is about a person who dreamed a dream and then it became as reality. I started T.
Okay. Now we know that the speak blocks can speak this. So we copy that and paste it here. So now I just copy the blocks in. Okay, at the end it should look like this. We first delete all from text from pages. Then we have these blocks, and then at the end, when the page ended, we here right and backslash these two things and slash here. Now, how do we now actually program that we read aloud? We're gonna do that in the script where we also detect when the right arrow is pressed. Just find it, the turn page script. And now, we need an if-else, and if read aloud is less than 1, we wait 10 seconds. And else, we just make a new custom block, read aloud. Don't tick the one without screen refresh. Now, we make a new variable named I for index, for displayed only. And we can also drag this read aloud in here. And then at the beginning, we have to set I to 1. Then we repeat until equals, and the item I of text from pages equals this end thing. Now we speak in this repeat until loop, and translate item I of text from pages to language. In my case, it would be English. But when we have another language, it would be azarmi. English again. Now, we just need to change I by 1 here. Now that's it, I think. Let's just try it.
Do you want to borrow climate change? Great. Do you want to read climate change? Great. Should I read aloud? Okay.
And now, if you want to have this speaking on your also on your first page, then you need to have here this if-else check. If read aloud is less than 1, wait 10 seconds and turn page, else read aloud and then turn page. So, but in my case now, at the second page,
Chapter 1, The Dream. I opened my eyes. Apparently I finally fell asleep. I tried it, and the last thing I remember
is working.
Awake at 4 o'clock. But when I looked around, I got a shock. Everything around me looked so different. I realized I wasn't at home. I got up and found myself in an overmodern hospital. But that wasn't what shocked me at all. I was shocked by the fact that there were no normal staff around me. The staff was replaced by robots. When I looked outside, I saw houses, signs, and robots. I was so shocked that I just collapsed back into my bed. At that moment, I saw a sign hanging on my bed. It said special. 12,769 1.1. If I hadn't woken up here but walked in, I would know straight away that this was a bed for me. Because earlier, in school, I'm still in school, but here I'm pretending that I wasn't in school anymore.
Yes.
My teacher gave me the task to find a solution for
That
113 times
is
113,
it
and the solution
for
is
this episode.
12,769.
We programmed
And a few days
successfully
later, I knew it by heart.
that
That's why 113 and 12,769 along with
that
the numbers
we
of Google. 0, 1, 2,
that the
49 and 64
that
are my
Scratch
favorite
can
numbers.
read aloud.
But I was still wondering
Now,
what 1.1 and special stood for.
now this episode is only 19 minutes short, but I don't know if you want these videos more. So if you want another video where I show you how to make this with 2 books, then just leave a like and comment under the video that you want a 5th episode. Thank you if you did that there. And now for this episode, it was it. In this episode, we learned how to program that the computer can read aloud. Now, If you enjoy my videos, it would be really cool if you subscribed. It would help me a lot. And now I hope you enjoyed this video. And until next time, bye!